Oh, hey there everybody, dog vlog, and there is something different here. This is not my dog. This is my sister's husband's, or my brother-in-law's kid's dog. Yes, it's not so clean over there. Look, cans and stuff. His name is Diesel. He's a Pomeranian. He's pretty cute, but he's not showing his face. Diesel. Diesel. Come here, bud. Diesel. You hear him sniffing around because he's got such a small nose. Oh my god! Hey, what's up? What's up? What's wrong? What's wrong, Diesel? What you barking for? What you barking for? Oh, he just pissed on my carpet. Because that's his big thing, is he likes to mark his territory. Like a weirdo. Yeah. I just want to know what you're doing. I'm very scared. You might morph into some kind of like demon dog or something. I don't know. Don't piss on that. Come here. Come here. Come here, bud. Yeah, I don't want you pissing on any of the electronics. But yes, this is Diesel. He's very cute, very puffy. He's very confused. And that is that. Diesel! Wanna say bye? Diesel, come here. Wanna say bye? Whatever. Bye.